In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change clothes in Yakuza 0. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly get or unlock the option to change your outfit freely in Yakuza 0. So this option is going to become available, but it's only become available after you are done with the main story of Yakuza 0. So it is going to be locked behind the game's completion. So you need to unlock Premium Adventure Mode. This essentially is going to be a new game plus mode, and like I said, it becomes available after finishing the main story of the game. Once you are done with unlocking this Premium Adventure Mode, you will get a notification, and now you will be able to change your outfit freely. First, for Kiryu, you will be able to do it at the real estate office. If you go in there and you interact with this S icon or the save point, you will be able to find change outfit among the options. Immediately upon interacting with the save phone, selecting change outfit, you will be able to see all the outfits that you have unlocked. You will be able to get additional outfits by purchasing them from the CP store and PC. And as you can see, these are some examples: normal outfit, dragon tattoo, judgment, producer, and lord of the night. These are for Kiryu, and if you want to change outfits for Majima, just go over to the Cabaret Club office, and you will also be able to interact with the save phone, choose the option to change outfit, and choose from any of the outfits that you have unlocked. It is extremely simple, but like I said, this is going to be locked behind the game's completion. So unlock Premium Adventure Mode, go over to either the real estate office if you would like to change outfits for Kiryu, or the Cabaret Club office if you would like to change outfits for Majima, interact with the save phone, and choose the option to change outfit between wait and create game clear data. I hope I was able to help you on how to change clothes in Yakuza 0. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.